How to share videos from Filmmaker Pro to Instagram. First of all, open the app on your device and load the project you want to share. Next, make sure your video is fully edited and ready, including trimming, adding music, effects, transitions, text, and stickers. Review your project to ensure everything looks perfect. Once ready, tap on the export button usually located on the left side with the download icon. Select your preferred export settings including resolution and quality. Higher resolution like 1080p or 4K give better quality but create larger file sizes. After exporting, tap on the share option. From the list of social media platforms, select Instagram. You can choose to share it to your Instagram feed, stories, or reels depending on your preference. The app will then redirect you to the Instagram where you can add captions, hashtags, and tags before posting your video. Now you know how to share videos from Filmmaker Pro to Instagram. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more video editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.